Here we have lot 221, 2015 ABB FlexArc robotic welding cell. This is a dual station, 18-foot between centers trunnion type system with 3 ABB robots. These are some of the fixture clamps. Here are the controllers, all noted in the description, as well as the Fronius weld power supplies and wire feeders. There's 3 power supplies for the system, and we'll go inside here. And here are the 3 ABB robots. Some model specifications there. There's 2 systems. The next system we will show you came from Prescience, North Carolina facility. I believe that's a 2016, same makeup here, ABB. It was decommissioned and relocated here, but never recommissioned. That will be sold after this system here.